Hey, it's Rick here, and today I'm going to be showing you a mobile video kit for your iPhone 16 Pro Max by SmallRig. This is a co-designed edition with Brandon Lee. And I do want to give a big thank you to SmallRig for sending this out for review, although I will mention this is not a sponsored video, so I'm free to basically speak my mind here, which I will. Now, before we turn the camera down and look at this up close, I do want to mention, and this is kind of a spoiler here, this is a fantastic kit. At full price, it's coming in at $179, but it gives you the capability to go super lightweight and minimalistic, or a full-on rig with a cage and handles and a shutter button as well. So it gives you a lot of variety and options and choices based upon how you want to configure this, and it's all within the box. So let's go ahead and turn the camera down. Let's get a look at it up close. We'll talk about it in greater depth. Now, I showed you the box briefly at the top of the video here, but let's take a look at it a little bit closer because there's quite a bit of product inside of this box, and SmallRig has done a really fantastic job of keeping the packaging minimal and, for the most part, pretty waste-free. So here's all the branding. Along the side, we get an inventory list of everything that is included. I've already unboxed it and placed everything on the table here, so let's take a closer look in no particular order. We're going to start with the included microfiber wipe that you see right here. We also get support, warranty, as well as product instructions. Of course, you can download this on the SmallRig website in PDF format if you wish. There's also an included iPhone 16 Pro Max case, which I'll show you in a minute. I mentioned that because it's going to operate with these. This is a slide-on magnetic camera ring attachment. So SmallRig sells additional lenses, and if you purchase those, they'll work with that particular adapter. Here is a grip that will slide on to the included case. It actually locks in with that mechanism right there, and I'll demo it for you. It also has a thread to mount on a tripod if you want, or a monopod. And then we're also going to get, for the camera cage, these, which is your handles, and they attach with an included hex wrench that you'll see in a moment. The rubber grip along the top will slide off and expose a cold shoe. Along the bottom, we have these hidden compartments that is going to store your Allen or hex wrench here that you can use to attach and detach the mechanism that is going to secure these handles in place on the included cage. And then on the top of this one, we get a shutter button. This operates via Bluetooth. It works flawlessly. I'll show that to you shortly. You can slide it off to expose another cold shoe, or if you wanted to use it independently, you can do that too. Just, keep aware of it because it's kind of small. You don't want to lose it. As we take a look at the packaging, or the pouch, I should say, everything that you find in this kit will fit in that pouch if you so desire. This is a bumper. So who remembers the Apple bumper days? Leave a comment down below. That bumper is going to be used with this cage if you want to really go lightweight and maybe you're concerned about your phone overheating in hotter environments, then slap that bumper on, and that's probably the best way to go. Here is the included case, and as you see it, it is well thought out. This could be sold as a standalone case for sure. It's a lot better than some of the other cases I've tried. And as you see, there is that camera ring that I talked about that you can slide on and off. And this is the one that's just basic, but you can slide on the one for the lens attachments, and you're going to see another one in a moment here. Here is the cage itself. I got to mention, there's a lot of opportunity that you can slide on and off cold shoe items, things like microphones, extendable storage, lighting. There's opportunities to screw in tripods, monopods, all kinds of stuff. So your options are limitless here. Here is the other ring that is going to be used to attach the included multi-stop ND filter that you're looking at right here. And it's a variable ND filter. So if you're out in bright sunlight, you can just give it a twist and determine, what you want to set it to. And it's going to really help. Here's a closer look at the pouch. Again, well thought out. It has individual compartments for your lenses, for the other accessories that you'll find in this kit. So it's just not all jumbling around there. And let's go ahead and put the phone into the case. And again, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And as you can see here, it gives you a good level of protection. I mean, there's a little bit of a lip for lay on the table. I've got a screen shield on, so it does raise up a little bit. But you've got protection and coverage for buttons. There's an area for a lanyard here. This case is really well thought out and designed to work with the accessories in this box. Notice that little ridge at the bottom. That's for the grip and how it locks into place. And let me demo that for you. So if you slide it into the bottom here, just like so, and then you lock it in place with that switch, you are now securely using this grip. It's not going to slide off. And this is a really minimalistic approach to take your videos and your photos to the next level. And you can see how that grip is going to work. You have the ability to swap out that camera ring to put on the one that I mentioned. If you want to purchase additional lenses from SmallRig, you would slide this one on and then simply put those lenses into the appropriate section of this, and it's going to work just fine. Or you can use the included ND filter if, let's say, you're out in a bright environment, and now you've really leveled up your game. Not only are you going to get stability, but you're going to get better image and video quality, especially on those brighter sunny days, as you see right here. And that's really the key thing, right? I mean, this is a kit that it can be designed and configured to go lightweight, minimalistic, or you can take it to the next level and start using things like your shutter button, which here it is right here, and you can press that and remotely activate film recording or the shutter on your camera. Or to take it even a step further, attach it to the included cage. And I'll show you that in a moment. But again, this is really easy to use. I mean, you just unlock it, you slide that grip off, and you can be on your merry way. There's not a problem with setup or tear down and popping the cage into place. You'll notice we unlock it, we slide the included case with phone into place, press that button, and now it's locked into the cage. It's not going anywhere. It's not falling out. And that took seconds. From there, we can slide on our adapter for whether it be an ND filter that's included in this kit, or if you purchase, again, those additional lenses, you can do that as well. And then your handles, you press either side of the button to release it, and then it locks into place as you see right there. And you can use one handle approach. You can go dual handle approach. You've got the shutter button that I rested mine on top here, and it just makes sense. I mean, look at the level of stability you're getting here. You have your lenses, your ND filter, and those handles are also easily hot swappable. So in a matter of seconds, if you wanted to go, let's say, top handle, you can simply release, attach, twist, and now you have a top handle. It's as simple as that. And because the cage itself has multiple mounting points, you can switch it down below. There are, other threads on this case and cold shoes. So, I'm showing you one example, but you can attach lights, microphones, you name it, external storage devices. It's all available with this kit. And as you see, it's a really nice green with kind of a fade to black here on it. So you get that gradient, which is really nice. And mounting points, tripods, monopods. And the tear down is simple. You can see I just took the handles off. Now I'm taking off that additional ND filter. And then you just hit the release button right here and you're done. You pop it into the case and away you go. Now, I did mention that if you're concerned about a phone overheating, there's the bumper, and that will work just as easy. Oh, by the way, it's MagSafe compatible too, so check it out. You can use your MagSafe accessories, no problem. But back to that bumper, you can slide the bumper on if you're worried about your phone overheating on those hot days, slide it into the cage, and that's it. You're done. You now have a lighter, although I venture to say it doesn't add much weight putting the case on, but you have a more thermal friendly rig, I suppose. And all the buttons on the cage work fine as well. I don't see myself using those buttons, but they do work fine as well. So yeah, you have limitless opportunities for configuration. So yeah, that's the mobile video kit by SmallRig, and I'm a huge fan of it. I've used SmallRig products in the past. I actually built a rig using their gear earlier this year to film a corporate event. And truth be told, while I was very satisfied with the rig that I built, this is even smaller. It's more lightweight. It's more adaptable. As you saw, you can go super lightweight. You can even throw a bumper on if you're afraid about overheating outdoors and go that route, or just use the case with this kind of grip handle, or go full on rig with the cage and the handles and the shutter button. I mean, there's so many options here with cold shoes to throw on lights and microphones and all kinds of stuff. I mean, it can't be beat, in my opinion, at the $179 price tag. You're getting quality materials. None of this feels cheap. And I think it's just a fantastic way to go if you want to really level up your video as well as your photos. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'd love to hear it. And don't forget to hit subscribe on the way out, hit that like button, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.